EIB 3000 series provides all-round fire and carbon monoxide protection for the home, offering wireless interconnection and control from a single switch. Setup is quick and easy. Wire the 230-volt mains-powered mounting plates. Insert the EIB 3000 MRF wireless module. Feed the antenna into its guide through the aperture. Line up the module pins with receptor socket and gently push the module into the base of the alarm. Slide the alarm onto the mounting plate and you will hear a click to indicate the alarm has docked correctly. With all alarms and their modules installed, you can now begin house coding the system. Insert a small flat-headed screwdriver into the house code button and hold until you see a solid blue light, then immediately release. The first alarm will indicate that it is in house code mode by flashing once every 5 seconds. Proceed to the next alarm and repeat the process. The EIB 3028, when added to a system, will add 2 flashes. All other devices will add 1. Repeat the process on the remaining alarms in your system. Insert a screwdriver into the house code button. Press and hold for a solid blue light and then immediately release. The flash count will increase by 1 with the addition of each device. From the start of house coding, you will have 30 minutes to complete your installation. The system will then time out and automatically exit house code mode. Verifying the incremental flash count as you proceed will ensure that all alarms are within range and can therefore communicate with one another to sound their alarm when fire or carbon monoxide is detected anywhere in the property. When all devices have been added to the system, you should verify that the expected number of flashes can be counted on each device before exiting house code mode. To exit house code mode, insert the screwdriver into the house code button. Press and hold for a solid blue light and immediately release. The flashing will cease on all the alarms and the system is now ready for testing. The EIB 450 wireless controller makes commissioning and testing easy. Simply take the control switch from room to room to verify that the alarm in each room sounds.